Okay, let's get right into it. Okay, so here we have to grab it. I'm going to be doing a Takis taste test. They're going while the bag's open. I was gonna eat them yesterday, but then I went to bed and wasn't able to. I ate one. I ate like two last night, but I don't know. I wanted to make a video about it. So I'm just gonna erase all of that. I honestly don't remember what they taste like. So yeah, let's start. So I'm gonna be taste testing, and you guys can already tell by the bag. Takis. If you guys know what Takis are, they are this like rolled up tortilla chip, and they have seasoning on it. And I'm gonna be tasting out Explosion cheese and chili pepper tortilla chip. Okay, so yeah, it's called Explosion. If you guys haven't tried Takis, they have Fugo, which is chili pepper and lime, and then they also have what's it called? They have habanero and lime. I've tried those two, and I tried one of these. What I can remember is it tastes like the. I'm just gonna get right into it. I'm gonna tell you guys what it tastes like, 'cause I honestly can't remember. So, yeah. This is what they look like. As I said, it's like the tortilla chip is like wrapped around. It's really weird, actually. But this one looks really cheesy. So, let's get right into it. Let's taste this in 3, 2, 1. Okay. So I can get what this one is. A lot of flavors. It's so good. Get you in the back after you eat it, not like in the middle. Good. They're really good. They taste like the cheddar. You guys know like those cheddar sun chips? That's like exactly what it tastes like. This is a perfect snack to eat like after you eat dinner. Stuff like that. Like it's a perfect snack. You guys want like edit, like I'm gonna be editing this video, I'm gonna be eating these. It's gonna be good. So yeah. Follow Takis on their social medias. Facebook is /Takis. Twitter is Takis USA. So yeah, this was a really short actually. If you guys have a chance, you guys can't see me. If you guys have a chance to buy these, I definitely think you guys should. They are actually really good. If they're really addicted, I want to eat one so bad right now, but then I'll probably finish the bag later. Not finish it. Do never finish a bag in one day of Takis. You will be in the bathroom all day throwing up. And yeah. So that's the end of this taste test. And I'm going to be posting a Madden video and a World War II video later. So hope you guys will go check those out. It should be up in a couple of